Okay, Jimmy, well, this is the time of our chat where we've invited the fans to get in their questions on Facebook, on Twitter for you. Don't worry, we've already checked them, so they're not too surprising. First and foremost, we've had a few fans asking you, what's your most memorable moment here at Kingston Park?
There's been a few, but I think at Kingston Park, it brings back to memory when we beat Gloucester a couple of years ago in the horrendous conditions. The scoreline wasn't big, but it was just a massive game for us. And I think there's a photo at the end of the game with James Hudson, who was our captain, just arms in the air, and the rain is everywhere. It was just a mammoth effort from everybody, and that game when we played here was pretty outstanding and one that we'll always remember.
Tommy Marr's been in touch with us on Facebook. He wants to know, will you try and come to any of our games next season?
Yeah, for sure. If I can get the time when we're not playing, it's only a quick flight, and I've still got heaps of friends here. So now I'll definitely try and be back if they let me in the gates.
I'm sure they will. You won't have a problem with that. I'm speaking for the groundsman, obviously, in security. Anthony Finley, he wants to know one thing. Obviously, Rory Clegg joining the club this week. If Rory plays against us for Leeds in the semi-finals of the playoffs, will you just throw in a sneaky shout to put him off if he's going in for the winning kick?
That's an interesting question. I think, yeah, that's a big one. What would he want to do? I think there might be a magic wind that just comes slightly and pushes the ball a little bit wide, so that's what he'll say anyway.
Well, hopefully there's a tornado blowing like there is today, just about as Rory steps up to land that kick. Ryan McLeod on Facebook, funniest player on the team?
Scotty McLeod, without a doubt. He's just class. He's great value, and you need a guy like that in your team, and it just makes everybody smile. Even if anyone's down or anything, it will make everyone smile every day of the week.
And finally, Jimmy, this isn't really a question, but Bernard Wills has been on as well, and I'm sure a lot of the other fans want to say this too, but they just want to say a massive thanks to all of the time that you've dedicated towards the Falcons. You've been a magnificent role model here at Kingston Park, and they want to wish you all the very best for the future, as do I. Thanks again, Jimmy.
Thank you.
Thank you.